Hey Santo, đặt nhớ sàn, đặt nhớ sàn, nhớ sàn.
You got your time, you got your time, you got your
Đặt Hey Santo, đặt nhớ sàn, đặt nhớ sàn.
know what to make. You got your time, you got your time.
I messed up tonight. I lost another fight. I still mess up, but I'll just start again. I keep falling down. I keep on hitting the ground, but I always get up now to see what's next. Birds don't just fly, they fall down and get up. Nobody learns without getting it wrong. I won't give up, no, I won't give in till I reach the end, and then I'll start again. No, I won't leave. I wanna try everything. I wanna try even though I could fail. I won't give up, no, I won't give in till I reach the end, and then I'll start again. No, I won't leave. I wanna try everything. I wanna try even though I could fail. Try everything. Try everything. Try everything. Look how far you've come. You filled your heart with love. Baby, you've done enough. Take a deep breath. Don't beat yourself up. No need to run so fast. Sometimes we come last, but we did our best. I won't give up. No, I won't give in till I reach the end, and then I'll start again. No, I won't leave. I wanna try everything. I wanna try even though I could fail. I won't give up. No, I won't give in till I reach the end, and then I'll start again. No, I won't leave. I wanna try everything. I wanna try even though I could fail. I'll keep on making those new mistakes. I'll keep on making them every day. Those new mistakes. Try everything. Try everything. Try everything. Try everything.
Last song was Fly Rain by Shira.
Okay, thank you, Dan. So now we've got the mystery song for this week. This week we have to guess 5 different decades for the legendary decades for the songs, and you have to guess which legendary songs are they.
Here comes the mystery voice.
Mystery Boy. Mystery Boy.
Here's our first song for this week.
Song number 2 for this week.
Coming up from the street.
Song number 3 for this week.
Song number 4 week. Song number 5 this week.
I hope you got the thunder flash.
Okay, so we hope you got all those songs correct in the mystery song. The next song is, go on.
Thirdly, dance song.
And it's an awesome tune by Fleur de Lis, isn't it, Dawn?
Yes, Dion.
Beth a dwi'n 20 oed, di tyfu mewn i'n rhoen, di blasu bed i ysgrifi atgoffa fi wenu a dalu iddi. Dawsia, dawsia, dawsia nes dy fod y draed mi hyn. Ti yn bwyd ti, a ni weld y dyn. Dawsia, dawsia, dawsia nes dy fod y draed mi hyn. Sa'n neb yn dy weld di, a ni weld y dyn. Bellach dwi'n ugain oed i tyfu mewn i'n rhoen, di blasu beth di byw, di teimlo bach o boen. Dwi'n gwbl fi'n gorfeddwl o hyd, cael ei drwbl o fi'n feddwl na ond di sy'n y beth.
This is the history. This is the history. The last song was Dawnsio by Fleur de Lis. So I hope you enjoy that song. Now we got the history. So I'm not explaining it more than that because everyone knows by now. So this week is going to be all about Japan. Don't ask why I do in Japan. I'll tell you. One of my manager on my sensei in karate is living there. So anyway, don't talk about more. I'm not allowed. Anyway, so span from Amsterdam time to the present day, starting with earlier inhabitable around 38 million BC and evolving through periods of cultural, apparently, development, the rise of the centralized states under an empire along feudal era domination by samurai and shoguns, a period of isolation and eventually modernization. Key turning points including the Taika reform, the establishment of the first shogunate, the fourth opened to the west in the 19th century, and the central countries defeated and subsequent economic boom after World War II, which is World War II my great tide was in. Very, very high up, with a lot of medals. So that's all I know anyway. Ancient and classic Japan, Paleolithic to Jomon, modern humans first arrived around 38 BC. The Jomon period is 14,000 apparently to 300 BC, was a hunter-gatherer society known for its card-marked pottery. Yoho period from 300 BC. Let's go back to it, shall we? So rice farming, bronze and iron metallurgy were introduced on mainland Asia, leading to a population boom and the rise of so-called heritage. And by the way, that's a Japanese word, so I have no idea how to say it. So, the documentary history of 25 to 538 saw the rise of a centralized government, and the Yamato court, which laid the foundation for the imperial house. Naran, hold on, let me see if I can say this right. Heian period. By the way, that's one of my cats had before. A permanent capital was established in Nara, 710. But the court leader moved to Heian. Oh my god, another kata name from karate. Heian Ko, modern Kahuta, in 794 AD, beginning a period of centralized rural country culture and significant Chinese. Hold on, I just said Japanese, not Chinese. What are you talking about? Influence in government and religion. Alright then. Anyway, so I'm going to do a little bit of everything here. I've got two tabs open for today. It's about karate and one about the general knowledge. So since I am the one who's actually doing the karate, so might as well start with it again, shall we? Might as well. What do you think, Dean and Dylan?
Yes, so what do you think, Don?
What do you think? Yeah, I would. So, anyway, let me tell a bit more about karate first that I know of. So, karate is a good thing to make you fit. And also, if you got some stuff that come into your life, going on in your life, stressed out and stuff, karate is a good thing to basically to put out on the wall. Put it that way. Punch on the wall. Yeah. So it's a good thing. So karate, well, in Wales, in Anglesey, called so that called Dragon Karate Cymru. If you want to join, you have to be over 4 years old, and if you're under 4 years old, under 7 years old, I think you have to go to Diddy's Dragons. Anyway, I've been there. Apparently I did, but I can't remember. So karate was officially introduced to Japan from, good luck in me saying that, if Googled it, I think, Okinawa. Right? I have to Google it if I didn't say it right. In 1917 by another one called Gizan Fukuhara, who is considered the father of the modern karate. His demonstrations supported by influential figures like, if you're going to Google it again, Chikara Kano led to karate establishment in Japanese in universities and the public sphere. Key change including the adoption of the Japanese, oh god, not another one, I can't spell it, Kanja Fukara, empty, and the use of the white gi and koadan. So that is a key and a dan. So that is saying I am on brown belt, but I'm not. I'm on another one. But saying I'm on a brown belt now, it's going to be a key. But if I'm on a black belt, it's black belt. It's a dan. So ranking system from the judo or karate, it's the same word. Anyway, so key developers introduced to Japan, Gisela Fancorsi, first public demonstration in kata, in 1917, showcased by Okinawan, out of Chinese hand. From Chinese, but cheats in Japan. Odd. Okay, told to the Japanese public. Establishment of Karate-Do after a successful in 1922 demonstration in Tokyo. Fukuhara was asked to stay and teach the Japanese Minister of Education, supported by introduction of karate into Japanese schools, leading to the establishment of the first university karate club, a Keio University, in 1924. Now, I've been to do karate for a long time, but I don't even know that myself. So, anyway, so Fukuhara changed the name from Chinese hand for toe to empty hand karate by using different kanjis for kara. Anyway, so let's move on, shall we? So you want to know who's teaching karate now in Japan? I don't know if I'm allowed to say it, but you know what? Oh well, if I'm not allowed to say it, I'm not allowed to say it. But the name is... So I don't really know who is he, but the second name is... sorry if you listen, Ruben, my sensei. It is Ozita. I don't know if I'm saying it right. So Sensei Ozita. I don't know if I'm saying it. But if I'm saying it right, well done. If I'm not saying it right, please don't tell me off in karate, Sensei Ruben. Please don't, if you're listening. Anyway, so let's go back to Japan now, shall we? So I hope that is very interesting. I don't have a lot to say anymore about it, but all I'm going to say is, very good is karate. There's a lot of karate history, but anyway, so let's see. Let's just see one of them, shall we? Oh, anyway, I know it's taking a bit more longer than usual, but one off because I don't know who's having a birthday next week on Monday. Anyone know? No idea. Who is it?
I think he's talking right now in the mic. Think go on.
Me? No, really? Goodness.
Yes, I will.
Yeah.
Yes, it is, isn't it? Yeah. I was planning doing Japanese history next week, but I was just saying, no, what the hell, let's do it today, yeah. So, we've got like 2 more stuff about this. So, I thought you would like to know what's the name of the kata, everyone, on the radio Kai. So, I'm going to say it, everyone except one, because I can't say it. Anyway, so, there's a few, I'll just say a few of them. So, from the Godan, Heiyans, they got Heian Godan, and then Heian Shodan, Heian Yondan. So, then from the brown belt, we got Boshai Sho, which is that's a new one from Japan. So, that's why I say it's Japan, not my kind of karate. It's another one. Also, it's Heian Nidan, and a lot more. So I hope you enjoy this week's radio station and the history, of course. Anyway, I'll see you next week. The next song is from Japanese song. So I always do a theme, and I'm doing a song from there now, I decided. So the next song is Plastic Love by Mariah and Takuechi. So I hope you enjoy that song, and I'll see you next week. Goodbye. 「
Here's Great American Railroad Journeys with Ethan. Welcome back to Great American Railroad Journeys. With Indiana now out the way, we're going from Chicago to the Twin Cities of Minnesota. Starting in Chicago, take the Amtrak Borealis to the Twin Cities. Now we went back to 1935, 90 years ago, and you're on the Milwaukee Road's Twin Cities Hiawatha, sporting baggage, RPO, tip-top tap buffet car, dining car, parlor car, and the new Beaver Tail Parlor observation cars. The trains are named after the fictional character from the Henry Wadsworth Longfellow poem. The streamlining job is done up by yours truly, Otto Cooler. The streamlining, interior, and paint schemes are all done by him. Will the fleet consist of Class G's, F3s, F7s, or the Fairbanks Morse Erie builds? The locus of note is here this time. For the locus this time. The locos have a wheel arrangement of 4-4-2, driving away from the 4-6-2s and onto the Atlantics this time, as they're called. There are only 4 built. For context, they're numbered 1 to 4 numerically rather than random. They are the last locos to be built with the 4-4-2 wheel arrangement. Second place is the E6 Atlantics, which last finished construction in 1914 by comparison. All members are streamlined, you guessed it, by Otto Cooler, and finally, none of them survived. They all had to be cut up for scrap metal. Continuing on, the service are as follows. The Twin Cities Hiawatha to Minneapolis Depot in Minneapolis, St. Paul, Minnesota, aka the Twin Cities. The Northwoods Hiawatha to Minocqua, Wisconsin. The Chippewa Hiawatha to Channings, and then later on to Nagon in Michigan. Midwest Hiawatha to Sioux City or Omaha, Nebraska. Finally, the Olympian Hiawatha, which goes to the Pacific Northwest to either Seattle or Tacoma in Washington. Today you're on the Borealis as the trains start to slow down a bit. The Northwoods Hiawatha, the Chippewa Hiawatha, Midwest Hiawatha were removed in the 1950s and 60s. Part of the cars north of Milwaukee was suspended, and only the morning Hiawatha is spared for Amtrak's use. And that's all brief revivals under the Twin Cities Hiawatha branding, and then North Coast Hiawatha, and then in the 1980s the Hiawatha service debuted between Chicago and Milwaukee. And Amtrak revived the Chicago to Twin Cities leg as the Borealis, which you're on right now. At Minneapolis, explore many sites and remember the orange and red streamlined trains. They are most certainly, according to Henry Wadsworth Longfellow, swift of foot. The trip will take you 8 hours and 20 minutes and cost £122, or £1.34 in 1935 money. The locus of that answer is the Milwaukee Road's Class A 442 Atlantics. Next up is Lacey's music charts, but before that, consider getting Lionel's Hiawathas. The locus are priced at $11.99.99. Passenger cars either $13.99.99 for 4-pack or $8.99.99 for the 3-packs.
Thank you, Ethan, for guys this week. This week's a bit different. At number 5, we got Joseph Haas by Christina Perri. At number 4, we got Little Bad Girl by David Guetta. At number 3, we got Swagger Jagger by Cher Lloyd. At number 2, we got She Makes Me Wet by GLC. And at number 1, we got Promises.
On my side, we played the game strictly to our rules. We let the field a love affair, which made all other lovers fools. Oh, how can you ever let me down? How can you ever let me down? How can you ever let me down? These promises I made made for us. We promised that we'd always have time for each other whenever I needed you to know. We promised to be true, there'd be no other. We promised that forever we would care. Oh, how can you ever let me down? How can you ever let me down? How can you ever let me down? These promises are made for us. We had to change, but you stayed the same. You wouldn't change. Oh, what a shame. 'Cause love is not easy, you're not on my side. We play a game with two sets of rules. We leave the field in a love affair. Oh, strictly meant for fools. Oh, why did you ever let me down? Why did you ever let me down? Why did you ever let me down? Those promises were made for us. You never have any time for me. Whenever I need you, you're not there. You've never been true and it's plain to see. The fact is you never really cared. Oh, why did you ever let me down? Why did you ever let me down? Why did you ever let me down? Those promises we made for us.
I remember when I met you, all the stars were hanging in midair. In those moments, nothing mattered but the way you caught me in your stare. We were walking, we were talking, we were laughing about the state of our lives. Our fates brought us together as the moon was rising in your eyes. Deep down inside us, on and on a light was shining right through. Ah, la luna, the night that we fell under the stellar moon. Ah, la luna, the light that will bring me back to you. The light of La Luna. In the hotels, in the cafes, all the world was mad with romance. In the harbor, moonlit water, all the ships were swaying in a dance. Then you held me and you kissed me, and I knew I had to be with you. You didn't ask me, you just took me to the tiny bed in your tiny room. On and on the band was playing.
So the last one was apparently a new song from Belinda Carlisle. Never heard of it before until this morning. So it's called La Luna by Belinda Carlisle. Hope you enjoy that last song. Now I got the news around the school. Hope you enjoy it. Today, well, or Friday, depends when we put it on. So today it's gonna be Children in Need Day today, and hope you enjoy celebrating children in need. Number 2, Minor Rugby wedi bod ar dydd Mercher 3:15 until 4:15 every Wednesday. So if you want to go, come next week. It's 3:15 until 4:15. But your mum or your dad or your guardian have to stay with you. I'm sorry to say that. Anyway, with Jason. Number 3, we got my youth club Bob Divide or 630 830. Oh yeah, also there is another club, Martin's Club, in the library in Holyhead as well for over 18. So hope you enjoy that club. Number 4, there's someone's party on Saturday. Any idea who's that, Dylan? Whose party? Whose party, Dylan?
It's Ocean's party, isn't it, though?
Yeah.
Yes, it is, isn't it?
Saturday, November 15th. And that is at the Bull Hotel in Llangefni. Yes, go on.
Yeah, they are.
Yes.
And
Well, thank you very much, Deanna and Diane. Yes, it is my party on the 15th, so hope everyone attended it from our class. Yeah, Dion? Yeah. So, also, it's a surprise for someone. Someone in Cane to Pimp are starting, well, I don't really know what it is. It's work experience, I think it is. In Ysbyty Gwynedd, well, record it in school, and we're sending it to Ysbyty Gwynedd radio station. So that is Dion Jones from the radio.
there's going to be more information coming up than that very soon.
Yeah. So if you want to listen to it, it's on Facebook. It is Ysbyty Gwynedd radio station. Yes, Dion?
Yes, Ocean?
Yeah. Yeah. So the next song is, well, Bruce Springsteen by Lonesome Day by Bruce Springsteen. Hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you next week. Goodbye.
I thought I knew everything I needed to know about you. Your sweet whisper, your tender touch. I didn't really know that much. Joke's on me, it's gonna be okay if I can just get through this lonesome day. Lonesome day. Hills brewing, dark suns on the rise. This storm will blow through by and by. House on fire, vipers in the grass. A little revenge in this too shall pass. This too shall pass. Time, yeah. ask questions before you shoot. Deceit and betrayals, bitter fruit. It's hard to swallow, come time to pay. That taste on your tongue don't easily slip away. Let kingdom come, I'm gonna find my way. Yeah, through this lonesome day. Lonesome day. Lonesome day. Lonesome day. It's alright, it's alright, it's alright, yeah. It's alright, it's alright, it's alright, yeah. It's alright, it's alright. It's alright. It's alright, it's alright. It's alright, it's alright. Lonesome day. Lonesome day. Lonesome day.
That was Vincent Dean with Lost a Day.
Yes, you're listening to Radio Kive, and now we got our mystery song answers for this week. Yes, go on.
Yeah, Dion.
Okay, so our 60 song for this week was gone,
Get Around by the Beat Boys.
and our 70 song was Beautiful Noise by Neil Diamond, and our 80 song was gone.
I Won't Let the Sun Go Down by me.
Man, that's by Nick Kershaw, yeah, on. And our 90 song was Come Home by James. Yes, go on.
Yeah, Dion.
And our naughty song was gone,
Oh, More Things.
and that's by Blink 182. Yes, go on.
Yeah, Dion.
Right then, so coming up next here on Radio Kive, you got the leaderboard master Ocean. Yes, go on.
Yeah, Dion.
And he's going to bring you the answers for the leaderboard. Take it away, Ocean.
I hope you enjoyed this leaderboard for this week, and it is all about 2010. Can you name the famous band from the 2010s, isn't it? So I hope you enjoyed it, and let's see who's the winners for this week, shall we? So number 9, we got Canal Lane. They got 1 out of 15. Also, Kev got 1 out of 15. Number 8, we got Swiva, that got 2 out of 15. Also, Tree got 2 out of 15. And Canavin got 2 out of 15. Number 7, we got Cynradd Pedwar, which is they got 3 out of 15. Well done. Number 5, we got Cynradd Pimp, they got 5 out of 15. Also, number 4, we got Kane Tien, which is they got 8 out of 15. Also, Cynradd Dai got 8 out of 15. And also, Kane Dai, which is they got 8 out of 15. Oh yeah, also Canal Dai got 8 out of 15. So, number 3 for this week is Kane's Pedwar. They got 13 out of 14. No, joking. 13 out of 15. And also Cynradd Chwech got 13 out of 15. Well done. Number 2, we got Dwynwen, which is they got just about all of them, but I'm sorry, you lost one. Dwynwen got 14 out of 15. Well done for trying. And the winner for this week is Kane Tree, which is they got all of them right. So 15 out of 15. Well done. And I'll see you the next week. And the next one is going to be... So the next one is Miley Cyrus, Flowers. So if you heard that song before, it is Flowers by Miley Cyrus. And I was playing flowers on my piano at home. So it's a very good song. It's quite an emotional song, but the next song is Flowers by Mill Cyrus. Goodbye.
We were good, we were gold, kind of dream that can't be sold. We were right till we weren't, built a home and watched it burn. I didn't wanna leave you, I didn't wanna lie. Started to cry, but then remembered I can buy myself flowers, write my name in the sand, talk to myself for hours, say things you don't understand. I can take myself dancing, and I can hold my own head. Yeah, I can love me better than you can. Can love me better, I can love me better, baby. Can love me better, I can love me better. Paint my nails cherry red, match the roses that you laid. No remorse, no regret, I forgive every word you say. Ooh, I didn't wanna leave you, baby, I didn't wanna fight. Started to cry, but then remembered I can buy myself flowers, write my name in the sand, talk to myself for hours, yeah, say things you don't understand. I can take myself dancing, yeah, I can hold my own head, yeah, I can love me better than you can. Can love me better, I can love me better, baby. Can love me better, I can love me better, baby. Can love me better, I can love me better, baby. Can love me better, I didn't wanna leave you, I didn't wanna fight. Started to cry, but then remembered I can buy myself flowers, write my name in the sand, talk to myself for hours, yeah, say things you don't understand. I can take myself dancing, yeah, I can hold my own hand, yeah, I can love me better than, yeah, I can love me better than you can. Can love me better, I can love me better, baby. Can love me better, I can love me better, baby. Can love me better,
Hello, I can hear the goes. So, very pretty chunky, Liverpool, the horse, Walden, West Ham, Wolverhampton, which is Dickerford, and we got the Viking, which is Breakfast, Fulham, which is Summer, Newcastle, which is Man City, Leeds United, which is Aston Villa, Arsenal, which is Spurs, Man United, which is Everton. So, it after yes, sure, match was it got 3-0 to Chelsea, 4-0 to Forest, 3-0 West Ham, 3-0 Crystal Palace, 2-2 to Law, 2-0 to Sunderland, 2-0 to Man City, and 1-0 Aston Villa, 4-1 and Arsenal, 1-0 Man United, And the midweek I've got 4-0 for Chelsea. 2-0 for Forest. 3-0 for Bournemouth. 1-0 to Spurs. 2-2. 2-0 to Southampton. 4-0 for Man City. 2-0 Aston Villa. 2-0 to Spurs. 2-0 to Man United. And at England, 1-0 to Guernsey. That's a great goal for Arsenal. 3-0 Liverpool. 2-1 to the Bournemouth. 3-0 Crystal Palace. Well, that means that they got it again. 1-1. 3-0 to Sunderland. 3-1 Man City. 3-1 Aston Villa. 2-1 to Arsenal. 3-0 Man United. We'll start with the Premier news. We're going to have a quick Liverpool news. Man City got 3-0 got Premier League. It just happened. DVDs is we got to do Aston Villa manager. And we got mystery players. The first half of the M, the second leg the S. And got there further to join the Wolves, the Rangers, and the second Newcastle manager. And yeah, a mystery the first half of the M, the second leg is S. Marcella. So our table is very Arsenal, Man City. So between the leaders, so Arsenal got 26 and take leads. Man City got to 22, close to the Arsenal. And we have here the Chelsea got 20 points. 7 got 19 points. And we got Spurs got 80 points. Aston also got 80 points. Man United got 80 points. Liverpool is down in 8th place because they switched to the Man City and the loss of 3-0. That's a need 8 points. 80 points. We have a Bournemouth at 80 points. But it's a bogey week. Liverpool just before it down. And this we have the consistent services 73 points. Brighton got 60 points. Bournemouth Western got 60 points. Everton got 60 points. Newcastle got 12 points. Fulham got 9 points. Leeds United got 11. And who did get the regulars? West Ham or Burnley? Burnley got 10 points. West Ham also 10 points. Who will get a regular sheet? And Watford got 9 points. And Wolves still 2 points. That was rubbish. That was rubbish. Right. That's it that the currently do. That's the guy the keeper. It's up by the master cameras.
Pop music, pop music.
Get down.
Pop music, pop music.
Radio, video. Movie with a suitcase.
Getting to know you, getting to know all about you.
Listening to Radio Kybe, and now we got our interview, haven't we? Go on,
Yeah.
no, Sam. We got Jack Chapman here with us. Hello, Jack. How are you?
How are you?
Good, thank you. How are you?
I'm very good, thank you.
Okay, so the first question we've got here for you today is, how long have you been working in Kybe?
I started working here in June of 2024, so I've been here just a little over a year.
Wow.
Album you bought? The first album I ever bought was AM by the Arctic Monkeys.
Ooh.
Have you ever been to see a live artist? If so, which artist have you been to see?
Unfortunately, I have never been to see a live artist.
Wow.
Very unfortunate.
Oh, she has been to see loads of artists, haven't you, Ross?
Have you?
Yeah.
What kind of artists have you seen?
Bruce Springsteen.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. Me and you recently been to one, haven't we, Ross?
Yeah, Fleur de Lis.
Fleur de Lis, Counts.
Yeah. And a new band. And Mr. T's band.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, so our fourth question for you here is, would you rather jump into the sea, or skate in the cold for 24 hours?
Oh. I think I'd rather jump in the sea.
Why would you jump in the sea?
I actually go in the sea quite a lot. I love going to the beach. I love swimming in the sea. It's quite something I've acclimatised to, and it's something I really enjoy.
Oh, so what would you rather, skate in the cold for 24 hours or jump in the sea?
Oh, jump in the sea. I can't even bear the cold 24
What would you
hours.
rather do, jump in the sea or skate in the cold?
Jump in the sea.
Same here, I would jump in the sea as well.
Your favourite place to visit on holiday? I wouldn't say I have one singular favourite place, but I love to visit rural locations. I love to visit the country. I love to visit a lot of areas where I can walk in nature reserves. So I love the peace, I love the tranquility, and I love the escape.
Well, places like the Gengle and the Canwan.
Yeah, I definitely love places like that. They're definitely my favourite.
Yeah.
What do you do in your spare time, is it? Yeah.
So I spend quite a lot of my spare time quite solitary. I like spending time on my own. I like my own space. I like travelling. I like going for walks, long walks, taking my dog with me for a long walk, spending time with friends on the weekend. I love to write. I like writing. I spend a lot of my time listening to music as well. I find listening to music quite therapeutic. So I very much enjoy that. So a lot of my spare time does come across quite boring, but I love spending a lot of time on my own.
So our seventh question for you is, what job did you do before Kybe?
So before Kybe, I worked in a primary school for a year, a mainstream primary school, which is also in Llangefni. I worked as a teaching assistant in year 1 as a one-to-one basis, and I did that for about 9 months. And then I joined.
Graig or
Yeah, Ysgol Graig, that's where I worked. And then I joined here in June.
I've heard that a member of staff here in Kybe teach you when you were little, yeah?
I did several actually. Manon Greaves taught me for a little while, and then Ellen Hughes also taught me. And I also worked with Naomi Edwards in Ysgol Graig while I was there. So I know quite a few familiar faces.
Is it Naomi who does support working?
Yeah, so she was a teacher for Maithrin, and I did some support work for her. And I also did a work experience course while I was doing my A-levels, and I was in her class for nearly 2 weeks. And so, yeah, she's a very lovely woman. You even play an instrument? If so, which one you play? I did try to teach myself how to play the guitar when I was younger, but it's a hobby that I fell out of love with. So it's not something I do anymore, but it is something I did try when I was younger.
Was it Miss Hughes who taught you how to play it?
No, it wasn't. I tried to teach myself, which was a flaw. I probably should have tried with Miss Hughes, but I didn't.
Oh, it's Stacey's question now. What is your favourite food?
So I'm quite big on Italian food, so I love pastas. I love pastas, lasagnas. I love that type of food. Always my favourite.
Nice.
Always my favourite.
Okay, so our 10th and final question for you here is, which song would you like to end off the show with this week?
Oh, could I have Dream Brother by Jeff Buckley, please?
Okay, so we're going to finish off this week's show with Dream Lover by Jeff Buckley. And we'd like to thank Jack Chapman for coming here today.
Thank you very much. Thank you for having me.
We'll see you next week for week 46 of Radio Camp. Take care for now.
Bye.
Bye.
There's a child sleeping near his twin. The pictures go wild in a rush of wind. That dark angel, he is shuffling, watching over them with his black feather wings unfurled. The love you lost with the skin so fresh, free with the wind in her butterscotch hair. Her green eyes bloom goodbyes with her head in her hands, and your kiss on the lips of another. Dream, brother, with your tears scattered round the world. Don't be like the one who made me so. Don't be like the one who left behind his name. 'Cause they're waiting for you like I waited for mine, and nobody ever came. Your head sand with the ocean washing over.
Okay, so we hope you've enjoyed this week's edition of Radio Caib, and we'll see you next week. Bye for now.
Bye.
تحية الضوء